Hey, Jesse here, Hot Off the Wheels. Thanks for tuning in. We've got a ton of boxes to open up, a ton of mail calls to open. However, I wanted to show you a couple of recent finds, just so you can get another encouragement to hit your stores up. It is the latest team transports. You've got the Ford Galaxy right there, the Nissan Silvia S15, and the Mercedes-Benz right there on the bottom. So check it out. Definitely nice. I think the Galaxy and the Nissan are probably my favorites. I love the look of that Nissan. However, I definitely love the body style of the Galaxy. All right. So we're just gonna open them from the back side. A ton of this is gonna probably be, I'm just gonna let you know, for my Hot Wheel fanatics. I don't think any of this is gonna be Hot Wheels that I'm aware of. Some of this I ordered, some of this my wife ordered, but it's been long overdue to be opened. Some of this has been sitting in my house for several days, if not maybe a week or two on some of them. So with that being said, we have a ton to get through. I believe this is off of JCar. They do an awesome job protecting and packaging their shipments. Dang, check it out. It is a little green light chase. So if you're into those, let me see if I get some better lighting on it. Hopefully that's something that's coming through all right on your end. But it is a little green light chase. You can see that green bottom. Volkswagen double cab pickup. I'm a VW collector and a Golf collector, so it's a win-win. We gotta keep going. I've got so much to show you, so let's just keep going. There, maybe that was it for that box. Sweet. All right, one down. Plenty to go. And I'll show you a Hot Wheels I just got in the mail today for my Hot Wheel fanatics on the end. But a lot of this is going to be probably giant lightnings, green lights and M2s, maybe some Auto Worlds here and there. So it's not going to be the video for my Hot Wheel collectors, but again, hopefully the background is appealing to you if you're still interested in watching. Stick around, but I'll show you what I got in the mail for Hot Wheels today from the RLC. Pretty awesome if you're a RLC member. Let's see here. I'm just kind of rushing through this. Typically, I kind of take my time, but we've got so much to go through. It's crazy. So let's see if we can pull them out. I'm just kind of ripping it off at this point. Although I try to usually take care to open them, whatever, with better care to preserve some of that bubble wrap for shipping. Dang, it is the Chief High Flame little Scottsdale 4x4 chase for M2 machines. Again, I don't know how well the lighting's coming through, so but that is awesome right there. Hopefully you can get a good shot of that. And I'll be posting some of these up on Instagram or Facebook if you're following me on either one. Oh, dang. The K5 Blazer chase. I love Coke. I mean, I know they're kind of overplayed. A lot of people probably think they're just overhyped, overplayed. But I love M2 Cokes. I'm a Coke fanatic as far as collector goes. And occasionally I'll drink a Coke here and there, especially with a good burger. But yeah, check that out, dude. That's pretty sweet. All right, let's keep going. I know we got a lot to go through. Another box down. All right. We'll go through one of the bigger boxes. I think this is a 1StopDiecast box right here. It's been a minute since I've ordered or opened anything from 1Stop. I think this is something probably my wife had ordered. So I'm going to be as surprised as you are, most likely. Oh, dang, I forgot they got peanuts. But it's cool, don't get me wrong. I enjoy, peanuts as anybody, but dang, all right. I almost dumped them all out. So there's the K5 Blazer mainline. So I should have shown you this one first. But that is the regular version of this bad boy right there we just shown you. Honestly, I like the white wall tires just as much, but definitely the chase is sweet. But yeah, there's your mainline version, and there's, of course, your chase. A little bit dusty with all the peanut stuff, but it's all good. All right, next up, we got another one in the mix. Maybe another, the same. Yeah, it's another of the regular version. But again, that one's awesome right there. I love the Blazers, so I'm a truck Blazer fanatic. So can't go wrong with a second one to either open up, throw in a display, or save for trade. All right. What do we got here? Okay, the regular version, of course, as the one we saw. Right. Sorry, bear with me. Is that one right there? So should have shown you the regular version and the chase, but we kind of skipped ahead to dessert. So there it is, the regular and the chase. Won't spend a lot of time on them. Again, I'll post some pictures up on Instagram or Facebook. Links will be in the description below. I think that might be it for this one. Just making sure. A lot of peanuts. But hey, at least they packed it well, right? Cannot complain about that. All right, another one down. Let's get this one right here out of the way. This one's another JCar opening right here. And if you're not a JCar fan, or, you know, I understand for Hot Wheel collectors, they may not post a ton of Hot Wheel stuff. I think they do from time to time, but they do a lot of, like, say, Johnny Lightning's Auto Worlds, M2 machines, stuff like that. So, which is all, I collect everything. Basically, they have Atomica as well. They've got all the different green lights. They've got all of your different, I'm trying to think some of the other brands they carry as well. They carry a wide assortment of different diecast makers or brands. So I would highly recommend checking them out if you're interested in any of these cars or just wanting to see what they have available. Dang, that's sweet. Little Cheyenne M2 Chase. Yeah, buddy, that's awesome. Again, I'm a truck fanatic. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know that. If not, well, you do now. Dang, another Chase and that Cheyenne step side, I believe. Yep. Dang, that is sweet. Again, the lighting may not be the greatest. Much, much, I don't know where I'm going with that, but leaving a little bit to be desired for lighting, but my apologies. Yeah, that is sick. I don't know what it is about, trucks with the, custom beds and all that. Mini trucks, I call them. Again, I used to have some mini trucks in my day. So that appeals to me. And I just love the ones with without the bed, the custom bed work. That's awesome. You can see all the details of the frame and all the exhaust and everything going on. So that's definitely a sweet one right there. And last but not least, had to finish it off with another chase for the 73 Chevy Cheyenne. Little square body. A beautiful piece, yeah. So let me know which one you like out of those four. We'll post them up real quick. Which one is your favorite? Now they had a few others, but I had to kind of budget what I wanted. So it is what it is, but definitely I like all four of them. I think I like the bed one probably a little bit more than some of the others, but honestly it's so hard to pick which one's my favorite. So let me know which one's your pick if you had to choose one of those. Move right along. Dun, dun. All right, another large box. I believe this is a 1StopDiecast as well, so it's liable to have some peanuts in it. So we'll find out here in a second. But hopefully you're doing well and adding some great cars to your own collection or finding some great things in the store. Yep, it is going to be packed pretty well with peanuts, but check out those cars. Nice. But yeah, definitely packed well, but dang. All right, let's see what we got here. First up, okay, some of these, I should have, again, we're skipping right to dessert. Now I'm showing you the main course. So I believe that's some of these are the regular versions of what I just shown you of the chases. So, but it's all good, and then some of them might be chases as well. That one's just a regular version, more or less the same, just without the camper shell on it. I like it. Up next, there's that regular version of the step side. Again, I'll probably be posting some of these up on Instagram if you want to see some better shots. And there's that regular version as well of that chase we just shown you a minute ago. Oh, dang. I like that. I don't know. Yeah, I think we got the chase of that as well. Either way, definitely a beautiful piece, even if it's not a chase. But yeah, these are part of the, it's a part of a set. So it is, you know, eight car set. So, but I didn't already share that detail with you. So definitely a nice one, a little 73. All right, let's see what else we got. This is the number 1 of 8. If I was smart, which I'm not, I would have shown you these in order, you know, from 1 to 8, and then shown you the chases and all that, but I didn't know which was going to be in which box, all that good stuff. Here's the number 2 of 8. And maybe if I post up an Instagram, like video or reel, I'll do them in order. That way you can see the order. Again, assuming you're on social media, follow me on Instagram or whatnot, then you'll probably see that coming up shortly. All right. Still a good bit to go through. There's that regular version of the custom bed one. And I believe that might be it for this one. Yeah, that is it. So a lot of the regular versions of the chases we saw earlier, we'll move these out of the way and keep on going. Ton to go through still. Well, no, actually, I've just got this one last box, and then I've got that RLC I'm going to show you for my little Hot Wheel fanatics out there, collectors. You have to admit they do an excellent job at packing and protecting shipments. Even when they look, you know, the cardboard looks a little bit bent up and all that. I mean, I've never had a bad shipment from JCar. I'm sure, you know, it happens from time to time. It's not necessarily their fault how it gets handled or treated after they pack it and ship it out. But again, I've not had a bad shipment from them thus far. So I'm truly thankful for their excellent boxing and packaging techniques. And generally, like I said, I'm usually a little bit more careful to kind of take off the tape and everything so I can reuse the bubble wrap for my own shipping. Oh, dang. Check it out, check it out. Little dually wrecker, and of course, if I haven't already said it before, which I have, I'm a tow truck fanatic, so that is awesome. And I don't know if this is a chase exactly. Maybe just a regular version, but definitely love that raw look to it. That, you know, metal, you know, Zamac almost look to it. Looks really, really good. Probably one of my favorite tow trucks recently. That's awesome. And bam, a little Auto World. Might be the only one Auto World that I think we've opened, if I'm not mistaken. A little Rat Fink enclosed trailer. They had some other Auto World trailers as well that were chases. However, I had to kind of get particular for budget reason. And as you can see how much we just opened, that set me back a good bit between me and my wife. So, you know, we're having to get a little bit selective with what we buy off of, you know, 1Stop, JCar, eBay, everything else, you know, in store. So a lot to consider, but definitely a nice little enclosed trailer for the Auto World Ultra Red fanatics out there. Definitely like it. Look at that diamond plate on the front. That's nice. Again, a lot of great details with Auto Worlds, but let me know your thoughts. We'll move those to the side, and I think that is the last box. And yeah, we'll show you what just came in the RLC box. You're familiar with that size box. I'm sure you get those in the mail if you are an RLC member as well. So let's open this sucker up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty exciting. I'm hoping my wife had ordered one as well, because I want another one. Check it out. It is the Redline Speed Shop C10. So that's awesome. Again, I know the lighting's probably not the most optimal, but definitely a beautiful piece right there. Dang. I think it might have an opening hood. Let me see. I don't know if it does or not. I don't know if it opens the hood, but definitely, again, such a beautiful piece right here. I'm a truck guy just through and through, so I'm more than pleased and excited about this one. I'll be adding this to the display, and hopefully, again, my wife will get one, then I won't open that one. But definitely a nice one right there. That's cool. What is... Let me know what What does that do? You have to let me know in the, maybe that's something to do with suspension? I don't know, I'm very curious what that does now. Yeah, I'm thinking it has maybe something, I don't know. Let me know if you're familiar. It's been a minute, because this is from like 2021 RLC, I believe. The little selections where you get to, the community get to come together and pick all the different things on the truck, like the paint, wheels, everything like that, the livery and pinstriping and things like that. So all the little details of the truck, everyone got to vote toward what they thought was the best selection. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts. I got another Prime guy coming up right now, so I'll let you guys go. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Take care. All right, sorry for that abrupt short ending there. I was a little caught off guard by the Amazon delivery guy. Was definitely unexpected, so I was a little caught off guard. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop me a line or a comment. Let me know what you're looking for out of any of those cars you've seen in the video, or if you're not into those, definitely feel free to let me know what you're looking for in store. Maybe it's something like this Johnny Lightning import double pack of Nissans. I wish I'd gotten the second pack. There was a second one of these. I wish I hadn't gotten it. I went back the next day to get it for a buddy of mine, and of course they were already gone, and I haven't seen them since at Walmart. I'm sure I'll come across it eventually, but I hit up over 10 Walmarts today alone hunting, and I didn't find anything. Definitely didn't find any more of those, so it was a little disappointing. But with that being said, wish you all the best, whether you're hunting or whether you're buying things online or doing a little both like I am. Wish you all the best and adding to your collections. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next diecast video soon. I will be posting probably a G-Case video in the next day or two once I get it edited, and I'll definitely post that up so you'll know what to expect if you haven't seen G-Case for Hot Wheels at your local Target or Walmart. Hopefully you'll have an idea of what to expect or look for. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and see you soon.